The first step of the LED installation is to install the power strip. Use the provided LED layouts to determine where the power strips go. Usually they'll be every 8 feet. When you're installing the power strip, it's important to look for the indication of the top and the bottom that'll be labeled on the power strip. The power strips will slide right behind the shelving. So go up from the top, slide the power strip down. If it happens to catch on a shelf, you may need a second person to help guide it into place. Once you get the power strip all the way down, use a black screw or plastic rivet to mount a couple inches above the base deck. You will also want to use a plastic screw guide to secure the center of the power strip. Once you've located your power strip, that will tell you where to put your inline transformers. This is an example of one of the inline transformers. There's 2 ends to the transformer. There's the input side, which has a little fuse on it, and there's the output side. To power up the transformer, plug in the AC cord to the input side and then plug that into your power source. Your power source may be on the outside of the gondola, or it may be a receptacle underneath the gondola. Now that we have power, you can see that the green LED has turned on and this transformer is powered up. So we're going to place that underneath the base deck here, near to a power strip which we've already installed. Now that we have the transformer in place and powered up, the next step to bring power to the power strip is to take one of your extension cords with your red power in connector. We're going to take the power in connector and snap it to the power strip. And then we're going to take the extension and plug it in to the DC output jack on the inline transformer. Now this power strip is powered up. Now that you've powered your first power strip, the next step is to get power to the next power strip, which in most cases will be 8 feet down the gondola. What you're going to do is take one of the interconnect power cords. You're going to plug this into the cord into the output of this inline transformer. And then you need to take this end of the cord and run it 8 feet down so it is underneath the next power strip. So we're going to go underneath the base deck there. We're going to go underneath the base deck again here. Now that I've ran power to my next power strip, I'm going to take the next inline transformer. I'm going to plug this into the input. Once I plug that in, you'll see the green light turns on and I have power here. I'm going to again place this underneath the base deck and connect power to this power strip as done before. You can continue this process with 10 inline transformers in a row going down the length of the gondola. Once you have power to your power strip, the next step is to install the LED lighting. Ensure that the cord is towards the side of the power strip. They can go either way. Snap your light underneath the metal shelf. It's magnetically attached. Once you can attach the LED, plug into the power output connector. The output connector snaps right into the power strip. The last step is to take 2 wire management clips. These are also magnetic. Use these to hold the spiral wires up against the bottom of the shelf. This keeps the wires off the product.